So with automation and with Oliver specifically, we solved the core issue of being distracted while cooking, leading to disastrous results.
Oliver is a smart kitchen robot. It's a recipe library, it's a meal planner, a shopping assistant, and an expert chef, all in one.
We actually replace the cook, who has to sit over the stove and kind of babysit it to determine when is the right time to put specific ingredients, add in the water, modulate the temperature, mix the ingredients. So essentially, Oliver allows you to fully automate the stovetop cooking process.
Right now, there's nothing like Oliver in the market. Let's say you're making risotto. You would be standing, stirring, stuffing, but Oliver takes care of all that. You just have to fill in your canisters, fill in your liquid, and voila, you have perfect risotto every time.
Think about it this way. Your favorite dish no longer needs to be across the town for you to drive there. You can have it in your own kitchen, perfected and cooked consistently every single time on your kitchen counter.
Oliver will give you a peace of mind. Busy professionals who care about what they eat, also parents with kids who need to get their kids to hockey games or soccer games or swimming classes while getting food on the table, while getting laundry done. Oliver makes cooking so easy that kids can be involved in it. We've seen families where they gather around and prepare the meals, and you can see the kids involved in the process. The dimension of the community in Oliver and the recipe creation process bring this to a whole new level.
Oliver, as you're programming it, you're recording it, and it's taking the exact heat measurements, the exact time that you stirred. It's great because once you create a perfect recipe, you know that you can recreate that over and over again. Apart from that, you're able to share. I make a great soup. I tell my friend, oh, I made this great soup. She has Oliver as well. It's just like, just take the instructions, you'll be fine. So I think it's really handy for both people who don't have that skill and want to venture more into food exploration, and for people who have that skill but want to kind of lock down all their different recipes and want to kind of share and show the world how much of a great cook they are.
Oliver is very easy to clean. You can either use the dishwasher or you can clean it by hand. All the parts are big enough for the hand to fit in, to be cleaned and wiped easily.
User iteration and testing has improved Oliver a lot. We've been doing user testing for the past while now, and we've learned a lot from the user experience on the actual unit itself, all the way to the software end. We've learned what users want in a product like this.
So a lot of the work involved is really trying to solve these challenges, but in a simple way, because simplicity for us translates to a higher quality product, because fewer things can go wrong and you can really spend resources on refining. So the challenge from the onset was really being able to design a product that and have all the functions that Oliver does have, but doing it in a simplified, kind of elegant fashion.
Cooking is an innate human experience. Everyone in this day and age should enjoy food and eat well.
Help us take the kitchen into the modern age. Support our campaign and put Oliver to work. We're excited to show you what Oliver can do.